So, hello guys. As you know, my name is Kevin, but right now I'm given the Sleepyhead. And as you can see, guys, my mommy is currently working at her computer work, so I'm not going to disturb her.
70 years later.
So, I just want you to listen my purring, my purr, and I hope you will going to enjoy seeing my sleepyhead because I'm currently sleeping. I was already tired because I was like playing with Daddy earlier, and now it's time for me to act like a prince. Because my life is just like this: eat, stroll, poop, pee, and sleep, of course. That's my favorite, right? And I hope you guys will going to just embrace me with love. Thank you so much. thank you so much for watching, guys. See you around. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and say something on regards with my purr. And of course, if you are not subscribed already, please do. Thank you. See ya.